Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this AI cartoon filter on TikTok. So if you want to get this filter where it basically turns you into a cartoon filter, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to go ahead and search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're going ahead and searching for the following account, Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page. And on the profile page, you're looking for this video here, which basically uses the AI cartoon effect. Tap on this and go ahead and tap on AI cartoon. This will take you to all the people who have used this AI filter called AI cartoon. It looks like this. Now, for those of you who cannot still find this filter, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description down below so you can go ahead and open it from your phone when you watch this video. So to use this filter, go ahead and tap on use this effect. And now you want to go ahead and find a photo of yourself. So for example, this one here, tap on it and this will basically take that photo and convert it into an AI cartoon. So just give it a few minutes. And once the effect has been applied, it'll look like this. Go ahead and tap on next and then go ahead and post this to your TikTok account. So there you go, guys. That is how to find the AI cartoon filter on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.